The Sustainable Business Pathway provides you with a wide launchpad for a career in business sustainability. Through this pathway, you learn advanced business skills and an in-depth knowledge of sustainability. Building on several modules taught in semester 1 of the programme, you advance your knowledge of sustainable business through modules on environmental economics and sustainability policies, business practices for circular economies, sustainable investment and strategies, and environmental regulation and compliance management. You learn the main theories and tools required to best address critical environmental challenges, such as natural resource constraints and over-exploitation through eco-innovation, circular business practices, value chain analysis, sustainable and responsible investment in business growth, as well as through understanding compliance and beyond compliance actions. You learn how to lead the business transformation required to address sustainable development goals and organisational targets aligned with environmental, social and governance pillars to foster greater corporate social responsibility. You will be taught by leading researchers in sustainable business and environmental economics, along with invited contributors from senior professionals in industry. You can be assured of a research-led teaching approach combined with practical insights and experiences with field trips to global businesses, implementing sustainable practices in the region and project work on real business challenges. This is all part of the learning approach you can expect. Through our industry speakers and working on case studies and real business challenges, you gain an understanding of the trials in implementing sustainable business models. These are designed to provide you with key insights on how to best manage the tensions that exist between profit, people, and the planet to effect change to create more sustainable businesses.